Yo, what's up everybody? This is Jeremy from RC's Adventures, and today we're hopping on a plane going down south to freaking Davao. Let's get it. Hey, what's up? We're at Naya Airport.
And this is Terminal 3.
We're going to Davao, we're gonna visit Old Man G, and then we're gonna go night market and we're gonna eat all the food. We're going to Davao!
11-3, you may open the doors. Thank you very much. Welcome.
We just made it to Davao. You guys gotta say about the
Hi
flight.
Davao! Maayong buntag Davao!
That was only a 2-hour flight. So right now we're gonna get a cab and we're gonna go to the hotel. We got a hotel at the Park Inn. What room is it?
606.
Welcome to the Park Inn, room 606. Enjoy your stay here.
Thank you.
Let's see what this bathroom's all about. Oh, that's the king throne.
Hi everyone! This is Ray. Welcome to our channel. We're gonna give you a hotel tour, a room hotel tour. Right now we are at the bathroom area. We get the amenities, dental kit, a cotton buds, and a nail file, 2 lotions, a nice white sink, soap, 2 glass, a big mirror, you can see a pretty girl, mirror, a hair dryer, a telephone if you need help, shower, a rain shower head, towels, full-size mirror.
You got the 2 twin beds right here. Over here you got a closet, hangers. You got your safe, keep your valuables in there. You got your slippers. Over here you got a big screen TV. Not really too big. Down here you got your refrigerator.
Ooh, nice view.
That right there is the mall. Look how close it is, guys. And look, there's a bridge right there. 2nd floor, walk across that bridge. Ta-da! You're there at the mall. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed your tour. Enjoy your stay here at the Park Inn. And we'll see you at the night market tonight. Peace. So Rain and Yellow are gonna go to the mall and I'm gonna go visit my friend Mike G. Alright. Yo, what's up? We're over here at Mike G's house. Check it out. What's up, Mike?
Yes, sir.
That's Mike G's son right there. Yo guys, guess what? I'm with the legend, the man, the myth. I'm with Gunner G.
See you.
Just got done hanging out with Mike G, and right now we're gonna go to the Park Inn and we're gonna meet up with Rain and go to night market. Thank you, sir. There you go. Keep the change.
Change clothes and go.
Yo, what's up guys? We're at the Roxas night market. We're gonna go around and eat all kinds of food. There's a whole bunch of food that's all smoky around here. There's a lot of people sitting down eating all kinds of good food. Let's go get some food and check it out. So over here we got the food, and over here we got the massages. Let's go get some food and then the massage. found a stall that has nothing but chicken skins in these cups right here. They got gizzards, they got intestines. This is chicken skins mixed with a little hot sauce. What more you need, right? It's raining. Who cares?
It's raining cats and dogs here at the Roxas night market.
Got the bus right there. You see that right there, guys? That's my tuna right there.
The buko pandan with tapioca ferns. I got the blue lemonade. Right now we have kinilaw. It's a raw fish with vinegar, with calamansi, and then this is a grilled pork chop. Seaweeds, just with tomato and onion and lemon juice, calamansi.
That right there, that's the tuna jaw right there. Alright guys, we got the longaniza, and we got these porks.
This is called sausawan.
And that's where you dip all your food in.
Pangkalame. So fresh.
This right here, guys, this is called longaniza. It's like a short little hot dog. See right there, all that porky goodness right there. I'm gonna go ahead and dip in this sausawan right here. Put a little rice on there. It's like a hot, smoky, sweet, porky goodness. Yo, son, we smashed that. How was it?
It's good.
Good food. Alright guys, that's the night market. I hope you enjoyed the tour, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. Sa akin yung pandan, ma'am. Really? Try piece.